Barangay Palos Post, Urbistondo, Pangasinan, ito na yung request mo idol, at sa mga di pa na shout dyan comment name sa baba at pa-share na din para mapansin natin, shoutout na din sa mga taga Palos Post.
Tell me why there is sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there's something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. You're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said, but there's something left in my head. Jay, cross sabay-sabay. Kissing, the feeling so strong, we're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know I was almost about to lose my friend. Was still dreaming, feared it was too late. But then you came along to my surprise. My heart before my very eyes. Everybody sing. You took me right, simply by showing that you love me too, only by giving me your everything, with a love so true. You took me out of the blue, from my youngest years to this moment here. I've never seen such a lovely queen. From the skies above to the deepest love, I've never felt crazy like this before. Bulok-bulok, sabay-sabay tayo. Come on! You should paint my love. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand doves. Baby, you should paint my love. Since you came into my life, the days before all fade to black and white. Since you came to my life, everything has changed. Para sa nag-request, after some times I finally made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really want to